Hello, my YouTube friend, Pop Comics here. We have a big, giant pile of comics to sort through today. Oh, this is cool. I think this one actually has a little bit of value. That one's actually really cool. Oh, I like the interiors too. Just very, like watercolored. Yeah. Oh, okay, we just won. We won the internet. We got Dark Hawk Newsstand Edition #1. Okay. $1 bin for them. Oh, Bruce Lee. That's got to be worth something. Someone look that up for me. Bruce Lee Malibu #1. I have a feeling that might have some value. Oh, that's a classic right there. Oh, Mortal Kombat #2. Very cool on this one. Oh, but we got Static #1. Not in the best shape. It's probably like a... it's got some tanning. Probably like a 50, 60. I still think that's maybe like a $5 issue. Okay, we got Ninja Turtles #2 from the Archie series. It's probably like a 50 though. It's got some tanning. That's still cool though. I bet that's like a $5 issue in that condition. So what I liked about this box too is you can see it's a little bit more tanned. So I knew this was a bit of an older... Oh, we got Swamp Thing. You know, stuff like that's already a win. Getting some good old classic Swamp Thing. Like, I would love to buy stuff like that all day. DC. Oh, we got... Okay, Miracle Man 1 3D. Not in the best shape. I still think that's maybe a $5 book. So our first book with a little bit of value out of this box. Oh, Teen Titans 1. Okay. That's probably like a $5 to $10 book. Okay, second book of value out here. So yeah, this is the kind of stuff that made me say, okay, I'll pay a bit more than like 20 cents overall. Because there are a few books. This is a... probably a very fine copy of the Dark Knight Triumphant. What is that going for right now? Oh, Carnage. It's a Wonderful Life. Someone look that up for me. I believe that's a $20 book. It looks like it's very fine to near mint. I don't see any major damage on it. So it might be near mint. There might be a slight spine stick. I have to look closer at it. But tell me what like a very fine and a near mint goes for. I feel like that has some value. Marvel versus DC stuff is always worth a little bit. Maybe $5. Pull that out. It's another book of value. All right, I don't know what else is in this box. I'm kind of hoping that there's... Oh, there we go. Someone tell me what Dark Knight Returns goes for. It looks like it's probably a very fine copy. It has like a little bit of wear and a bit of a finger bend right there. But it's not too bad. That's got to be worth something. Ooh, we got a little bag of Teen Titans. No. Oh, what is this bag? Oh, dude. Jason, look at this. It's a Dal Godo bag from 1985. How freaking cool is that? That's like one of the coolest things in here. Oh, and then we got the mechanics on the back from Love and Rockets. Oh, that's super cool. It's an indie comic store bag from the 1980s. That is neat. I got back on board that. Ooh, Wolverine 6. Okay. Wolverine 6. I'm going to call that $5 issue maybe. And we got Wolverine 4. Wolverine 5. Oh, all right. This one's a little bit more beat up, but all of these have a little bit of value. Ooh, I wonder if 8's in here. Is 8 in here? No 8. Wolverine. Okay, we got a nice little run of Wolverine. Very cool. Zen Intergalactic Ninja. That one might have a little bit of value. Alpha Flight 106. That's a good issue. That's probably like a $5 to $10 issue. It has point. You know, it's got creasing here, but that's possibly pressable. It doesn't look like it's color breaking. As is, it's probably like a fine minus. So let me know what fine minus. So that is a book of value. I thought it was one of value. Okay, so that pays for the whole box then. So, you know, some of this stuff is better $2 to $4 books. Oh, okay, score. So I'm going to look up Planet Comics #1, Dave Stevens artwork. This could be a $100 book right here. $50 at least. It has a bit of a spine roll, a little creasing, so it's... Oh, and it's a little bit warping here, although I think that's pressable. I'm going to call it like a fine plus copy. Fine plus copy. Oh! Toxic Avenger #11. Nuclear bomb cover. That's got to be worth something. Someone tell me how much Toxic Avenger 11 is. And it looks to be in decent shape. Well, Anthony, if you're selling... Oh, Street Fighter #2, #1. I bet that's worth something. Someone look that up. Street Fighter 2, #1 from 1994. I have a feeling that one has a little bit of value. Oh, okay. This is dope. Demolition Man #4. I'm going to put that out. I don't know if it has value, but that's something like I'm thrilled to get because that's one of my all-time favorite movies. Hardware 1, double signed. Someone look that up. What is Hardware 1 selling for these days? And does it look like there's anyone signed? And it is a newsstand. So I'm not... That could be a book of value. Oh, okay. We have another Marvel. Okay, we got another book, a little bit of value. Oh, okay. We got more Marvel vs. DC. Okay. Another $5 to $10 book. Oh, Headmaster. Okay. I think Headmasters is another book that's $5. I'm going to pull that out as a better... Oh, and there's 2 copies. Yeah. Okay, these are better books. Headmaster 3, this one's lower grade, but I'm going to pull that out as kind of like a better book. Street Fighter 0, okay. I have a feeling this one, or no, Street Fighter number 6 newsstand. So I'm guessing that's another like $5 to $10 book. So this is the stuff I kind of valued the first box out. So we have the first White Vision. So yeah, they had a full set of long shot. Oh no, this one doesn't look bad. Okay, this one's actually good. So this was more of the value. But the other issues were water damage. And then we had Turtles 33. Turtles 33. Awesome. Love any old Turtles. We have Voltron 1 in decent shape. It does have a 50-cent sticker on it. But other than that, well, it's a little bit soiled on the back. It's a mid-grade. Oh, Dungeons & Dragons 1. Isn't Dungeons & Dragons 1 worth something? Look that up for me. I think Advanced Dungeons & Dragons 1 is like a $20 book. Spider-Man The Lost Years. This is a fun... red foil. I don't know if this is worth anything, but I think it's pretty neat. More and more and more creative. Okay, so these are the ones I pulled out. So I pulled out My Love Story because I knew I was willing to pay like a couple bucks for that. It's so hard to get the romance. I think I paid $5 to $10 for this because this was just a whole pack. But I love seeing as many different types of comics possible, whether it's the most amazing ones or god-awful ones. I just love seeing just the whole selection of them. These are cool. I think it was $10 is how much I was willing to pay for this whole pack of them. But they're large versions of the Flair cards. I have no idea what they're worth or if $10 was a steal or overpay. But I think they are so cool, these giant size version of the Flair cards. I think they're really cool. They're all got that kind of slightly stuck together feeling, though. I need to put them in bags and boards separately, I think. These are probably worth more than comic books right now. I think this era of trading cards is actually quite valuable compared to the comics from this era. Because the print runs would be a lot less. Phoenix, Storm. Does anyone know what these were? These were just separate prints they would sell? Okay, Venom Vault Trap. This one also I think had a little bit of value, so I paid a bit more for that. We got Ninja Turtles number 5. I don't know if that's a first. I think that's a second or a third printing. Not 100% sure, but I knew that was worth a bit more. Inhumans number 4. So that was worth a bit more. Rocket Raccoon 4 in pretty decent shape. I know that was a bit more. Superboy 9. I believe that's the first King Shark. And then number 13, I think, is the second King Shark. So that was actually the stack of better ones that made me decide how much to pay for the box. These are the ones that made me sad a little bit. I think this one is water damaged, but I think I'm going to put it in my dollar bin just because it's a key issue that's really important. First, Art Adams artwork. I think that one I'm just going to put out for $1. Same with number 2. Water damage, going to put that out for $1. Put that out for $1. Put this out for $1. Like, those ones make me sad, but... yeah, water damage. These are all... I'm just going to mark them water damage, put them out for $1. Someone's going to want to read them. And I just... Like, the interiors of these are amazing. I think this is such an underrated comic book because it's all this beautiful Art Adams artwork. This is an amazing... Like, super undervalued comic. I love that. Awesome. And other... Mortal Kombat... Not sure what that is. Someone look that up. It's a Midway Mortal Kombat Collector's Edition comic book. I don't know if that's worth anything, but I have a feeling it is. Is it really $200 to $1,500? Holy crap. Is it actually selling for that? I thought, like, is this the first Mortal Kombat in comics? Let me know if that's the first Mortal Kombat in comics, because that actually might be the winner of this box. So 9, I don't know if it's a 9.6, but I could see this. It looks, okay, so it has 2 or 3 spine bends, but the rest of it looks relatively good. A little bit of a spine bend there. I think, and it has a little bit of spotting right here. It's almost like a shadow line. It needs work. It's probably like a 7.0. I think it's probably a $50 to $100 issue in 7.0 though. Holy crap. Holy crap. So that's the first, like, bigger key issue I think we got. Woo. All right. Yeah, that's a winner. I'll take it. That pays for probably 1 to 2 boxes at least. That's why you buy big collections like this. Yeah, I'm keeping it for sure. Oh, it was a mail. Okay, interesting. So apparently it was like a mail away. So you would have to actually mail away to get this. So it's kind of rare. That's cool. Yeah, that's honestly, this is also for, like, all this is for the collection. But for the most part, what I like is getting stuff like this when I buy a big collection like this. Because this means I'm getting value for what I paid. And it means everything else I'm getting for free, basically. Because I could have bought this at a Comic-Con for like $100. And then, like, paid 50 cents or $1 a piece for everything else. Or I can get it in a big collection and then get everything else for free, basically, which is amazing. That's how I love to collect. Sweet. That's what I've been looking for. Just 1 or 2 decent bigger hits. I think that's the second bigger hit. Ooh, Mortal Kombat 1. I don't think this is the rarest, super valuable one, but someone looked that up. I bet Mortal Kombat 1 has some value too. Oh, Street Fighter 2, number 4. Okay. Ooh, Long Shot 5. This one's actually in good shape.
Why is it?
Oh, sweet. I love that. Okay. Oh, Long Shot 2. This one's in good shape too. Sweet. The fact that we got a bunch that were damaged, I'm so happy to get some that are actually in, like, probably very fine condition. And number 3. Okay, that's fantastic. Harriers. This is foil. It's like highlight foil in the weirdest spots. Like this guy's face. Like, what is going on with this comic? This is just over the top. I kind of love it. Ooh, Long Shot 6. A little bit of damage, but it's not water damage. I'll take it. Oh, Street Fighter 1, the Malibu series. That's got to be a little bit of value there. Witch Hunter. Oh, Thunderbolts 1. There you go. Ding, ding, ding. What is that, $40 now?
Yeah.
Thunderbolts 1. Okay, sweet. Oh, Mortal Kombat 6. There we go.
Hey,
Oh, Goro. All right, we're getting some valuable comic. But this has been fun. I appreciate you guys.